What's up, guys? This is your boy, Amoy Piranyan. Sa sobrang dami-dami ng lumabas ng mga Christian Dior perfumes, flanker after flanker after flanker. Walang katapusan flanker. But there is this one scent na talagang until now, people go crazy and the prices is still at the top. Dati mura lang. Pero if you check eBay price, Etsy price, it's two-way expensive, especially the vintage batches. I'm talking about a successful release ng Christian Dior which is ginawa ni François Demachy, none other than the masterpiece Dior Homme Parfum 75 ml version. Okay? So itong bote ko, this is batch 2016 and this is the vintage batch. If you're going to ask me, sir, ano ba mga vintage batch ng Dior Homme Parfum? Mamaya, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung kung ano dapat i-hunt yung mga batches. At ano yung mga hindi ko i-recommend na i-avoid nyo sa Dior Homme Parfum. Okay? So, ito yung klaseng scent na hindi siya basta-basta parang dapat yata nilabas ng Christian Dior sa designer line nila. Ito yung klaseng scent na worth in a Tom Ford private blend line. It's worth more than the parang expensive private line collection ng Christian Dior. Dapat dun nila nilagay itong range na to. But imagine that, nilagay pa din ni François Demachy sa designer line nila. And sobrang mura lang that time, like during the 2014 time, kasi 2014 to nag-release eh. Mga nasa around mga 5K lang, 5.5K lang for a 75 ml version. Tapos sa mga ibang bansa, you can get on a discounted price. Then dun na lumabas, nagkaroon na ng discontinuation and nagkaroon na din na hard to find itong 75 ml version. The batch na sinasabi ko dito sa 75 ml version na pinag-aawayan lahat ng mga tao sa fragrance community in the world is the batch 2014, 2015, and 2016. So, 2017 pataas ng 75 ml version, I am not recommending buying it. Don't waste your money on it, okay? So this is type of a fragrance na
Christian Dior has the
talagang niche na
sprayer
niche
in
yung
the
datingan
world.
niya. It's not worth it na maging nasa designer line siya ng Dior. But imagine mo, they put it already. So I'm happy that I own this in my collection. Ito yung klaseng scent na talagang it's not, hindi siya parang very pleasing or very versatile type of a scent. This is kind of a scent na talagang worth it on a special occasion na susuotin mo siya. Ito yung klaseng scent na talagang if you have a special date with your loved one, with your girlfriend, or let's say with your wife, ito yung klaseng scent na talagang pag sinuot mo, both of you, you're going to enjoy it. Ganon yung datingan nito. The composition na dominant tones na naamoy ko dito, waxy, lipsticky iris, to die for, sobrang buttery, waxy, and very lipsticky yung datingan ng iris siya dito. Creaminess of sandalwood, fluffy and flirtiness ng cocoa niya dito, sobrang to die for. And the vanilla dry down. And lastly, there is also a secret note na hindi nakakaalam ng mga ibang tao dito, which is the oud. Hindi ko alam kung real oud yung ginamit dito or synthetic oud, but it's just to die for. So talagang pag sinuot mo to, ito yung klaseng designer scent na talagang kahit lumagpas pa ng ilang years or kahit tumaas pa yung presyo, worth buying and worth hunting for these batches na sinabi ko sa inyo sa 75 ml version ng Dior Homme Parfum. Super worth it ang ginawa ni François Demachy dito. I hope si Francis Kurkdjian, since he is already the perfumer behind ng Christian Dior, na director, hopefully he brings back itong formulation niya sa designer line ng Christian Dior. Hopefully, fingers crossed, pagdasalan natin na hopefully mabalik na to. Ito yung klaseng scent na talagang beast mode. Kahit dura lang, kasi makokontrol mo yung spray niya dito eh. Kahit tingnan mo ayan kahit dura lang, ayan. Kahit dura lang, kontrolado mo yung spray dito. It doesn't matter kahit anong klase spray gagawin mo with kamay mo, makokontrol mo siya. Kahit dura lang spray mo, you're good to go. Ikalat mo na, you're set for the whole day. And this is type of a scent na till the next day nandun pa rin. Ito yung klaseng scent na talagang through the entire day, sisigaw at sisigaw. Projection longevity is huge through the roof. That's it. Ito, This is the best designer release so far from Christian Dior na talagang worth hunting for it kahit yung prices nito sa eBay more than 10K plus pesos. Do you own Dior Homme Parfum? Which version do you own? 75 ml version or the 100 ml version na pinagsasabi nila na almost kahawig daw ng 75 ml version? No, it's not. Comment section down below. Don't forget to like and share this one. And let's talk about Dior Homme Parfum. Which batch do you own?